Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the text sticker pack to enhance your videos just like this. So let me show you how I created my video. So here in the Wondershare Filmora video editor, I have my project. You can see that I've already edited it by cutting up the footage I had. So let me just break it down to you how I went about at adding these titles to my video. So all these cool animated texts from the text sticker pack are actually found in the elements section. There are 25 different options, and if you want to preview the animations for them, all you have to do is simply double click on one of these and it will play it for you. And to go back to the project, all you have to do is double click on your timeline. Adding the elements is really easy. For example, if I want to add this perfect title, all I have to do is click and drag it down onto the timeline. You can see that this little box appears and I can place it in my desired location. So let's just put it here for now. So right now this element is a little bit too big for my video. By default it fills the whole frame. In order to resize it, all you have to do is double click on the element and you can see here that this little box around it has appeared, and you have these little direction arrows which you can use to resize it. So you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger so it goes out of the frame, and you can also click and drag if you wish to move the element to a different place, for example here. You can also rotate the element. You can also change the duration of how long the element plays for by simply clicking on the edge and dragging it to your desired length. Of course, this will affect the animation and it will not play in full. By the way, if you like the music from this video, you can find it in the Wondershare Filmora video editor under the electronics section, and it is this one called Inspiration. Another cool thing you can do with the elements is that you can add some transitions to them to make them pop out a little bit smoother or to make them fade out, for example. So here I've added the bar transition, which is this one right here, so that the element animates as it comes into the video instead of just popping up like this. Adding the transitions to the elements is very easy. All you have to do is grab and drag the transition down. Not all of these transitions will work with the elements because some of them do affect the whole video. For example, this box turn one, it will actually act on the footage as well as the title. So I've done the similar thing here at the beginning where I've added a transition, but it also works on the footage underneath. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Also, if you would like to try out the text sticker pack for yourself, there will be a link in the description below that will take you to it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Filmstock channel and turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!